A balance looks like a simple piece of equipment that you just connect to the power, switch on and start weighing. However, laboratory weighing instruments are not what we call plug-and-play equipment. Even the smallest installation mistake or an oversight in configuration can result in weighing errors, leading to financial losses, rework and waste. Without the correct installation, you do not know if the balance is delivering accurate results, placed in the optimum location, or is set up according to your requirements. And will it be operated by trained personnel? Even if you are sure everything is okay, do you have the right documentation ready for the auditor? Our METTLER TOLEDO Installation and Qualification Service goes beyond unpacking the box and putting the balance on the bench. Let's have a closer look. Our trained and authorised service technician will start the installation and qualification service with a delivery check. Has your balance been received as ordered? Is all documentation included? Is the equipment damage-free? Now it is time to place the balance in the optimum location. Why is this important? Because external influences such as draft, direct sunlight, vibrations, for instance, from an elevator, or even people walking past, can lead to drift and random errors, the consequences of which are inaccurate and inconsistent weighing results. So we know your balance is in the optimum location. Now we can plug it in and check if it meets the predetermined specification and quality attributes. To do this, we carry out a number of functional tests, including level control, overload test, internal adjustment, automatic door test, and a peripherals check to check if the recording and transfer are working properly. In addition, our service technician can optimize your weighing settings. For example, depending on your smallest net weight, we can set up the balance to deliver the weighing result faster and reduce waiting time. But we still don't know if the balance is performing according to your own weighing requirements. Only with an on-site calibration in the environment where the balance is being used can we assess the performance. The final part of our installation and qualification service is a short initial training session for the user. This includes tips and tricks about efficient and ergonomic weighing, maintenance and cleaning, and useful accessories. With the handover of the completed and signed qualification documentation, the balance is now ready for routine operation, and you are ready for your next audit. The installation and qualification service is now complete. Since each environment and each application requirement is different, we offer 3 levels of installation pack: an EQ pack, an I pack, and a starter pack. Each type of pack is available for balances, automated dosing systems, and moisture analyzers. Installation packs, your weighing assurance right from the start.